How to use keyboard shortcut on your PC on Duolingo. Well, I'm here on the mobile application, but let me just guide you through quick and easy. Well, you can use the keyboard shortcuts for general navigation and answering. For example, you can press 1, 2, or 3 to select the corresponding answer option. You can also press 1, 2, or 3 to rate a translation as bad. Use the up and down arrow keys to cycle through options. Press enter to submit an answer and proceed to the next question. On the main page, you can press enter or space, which can expand or collapse the lesson window. Similarly, press Ctrl plus space to replay the current audio prompt. You can use Ctrl plus Shift plus space to relay the audio at a lower speed. Some accents can be accessed by holding down the corresponding letter key, example holding A for A, and different types of A pronunciations. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.